know, I live my dream. Everyone knows how grateful I am. And a big part of that journey, the road just diverted into this when I met him. And it was one moment in time, it was one decision, that if I answer his texts, they were out, then my life is never going to be the same. And I don't know how I knew it. I said, one day I'm going to be with the most beautiful, I foretold today. I said, if you say otherwise, I'll turn around, we'll go back to the hotel, and I'll remain a martial artist. But if I go this way, I'm not turning around. And she said, no, go for it. So you sure? I said, yeah. I turned up the music.